After that, you need to open and on your drone. After your drone on, you go to your Wi-Fi. There was an here the drone Wi-Fi will be available. You just connect it. After connection done, here you come and it's also ask for an authentication. You just allow for everything. Okay, then that you got start. See, after your connectivity ensures us, just give a start. Here your drone camera will be accessible. Yeah, just like that.